So that's me just, I'm still testing this out, still learning how to use the software and what it can do. So just, I'm only 60 kilometers an hour. I know it looks faster on the video, 62, aye. And I know with the microphone that's on under here, I don't need to shout like I was doing yesterday in my football video. It's just, yeah, Long Beach Road. I'm not going to extend it as much, it's just like a foot from my face, so it's all about learning. Good fun. Another nice day. Heading along for my coffee at Lanya, see who's there. It's dead quiet this time of year, man, it's good. I'm coming up to the Tower of Doom. I'm led to believe it was one of the many casualties of the 1997 Asian stock market crash. They were building it and it, yeah, bit of an eyesore, but there we go. I know they're not allowed to build any more high-rises along here. The council have said I think the maximum they can build to is like 3 floors or something like that. It's a good thing. Loads of wee places, your 7-Elevens that you can't live without. Smelling the food off the trucks in the morning. Just coming up to this the French restaurant. It's brilliant. How was I saying? Bon's Moments, absolutely brilliant. Does the best Bloody Mary in the world, and there's Purple Haze, one of my locals. There's only one hotel chain in the whole beach. It's this one here, Coco Hotel, K-O-K-O Hotel. I think I think they're just down in Southeast Asia. I know there's one in Pattaya, Bangkok. So yeah, you can see them. That's a surf club there. There's a surfer dudes looking out. There's the council down cleaning the beach. Aye. Times that's just 5 past 9, 10 past 9. There we come. This Ben's not the best thing ever. Yeah, there we go. Oh, these glasses always make the eyes run. Speed humps. Usual suspects. Right. There we go. Right, what we'll do is switch it off. There we go. Cheers.